And in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first just open your phone gallery, then click on the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, select edit icon, and now click on add photo. And as you can see, you can either take a photo, so it's just perfect if someone's staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me pick something from my gallery, then you can select the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper from. Let me choose this one, just grab a picture that you want to add. You can smoothly customize it, rotate it, and then just click on save copy. Click on save then to apply to your contact, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this photo is assigned to this contact. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.